The Human Rights Commission of Pakistan strongly condemns the violent state crackdown on Baloch citizens who have been led a long march from Turbat to Islamabad in protest against the alleged extrajudicial killing of Baloch and others in Turbat. HRCP is appalled by the state response to peaceful protesters, with women, children and elderly subjected to unwarranted force in the form of water cannons and use of batons. Numerous women protesters have reportedly been arrested and separated from their male relatives and allies. At least one Baloch woman journalist covering the long march has also been arrested. This treatment of Baloch citizens exercising their constitutional right to peaceful assembly and freedom of expression is inexcusable and outrage state that responds to call for the right to life, liberty and due process to be upheld by resorting to force at every stage is a state that has shed its constitutional and moral responsibility for protecting and fulfilling the rights of all citizens. All those detained must be released immediately and unconditionally. We strongly urge the government to organize a delegation immediately to meet the protesters, giving their legitimate demands a fair hearing and commit to upholding the rights of Baloch people. The state's widespread use of enforced disappearances and extrajudicial killings also warrants a prompt and transparent investigation as well as commitment to hold the perpetrators accountable.